Today I'm starting a new AI project. Everything looks organized, and the conversation is off to a smooth beginning. The AI understands my instructions, follows my ideas, and helps me make steady progress through the project. As the project grows, I keep adding more details, refining ideas, and building on everything we've discussed. Everything still feels connected, and the conversation continues exactly the way I expect it to. Then I notice something unexpected. One response doesn't seem to match what we discussed earlier. I check my earlier instructions, but the next reply also seems to overlook some of the previous conversation. Now I'm wondering whether I missed something, because the project no longer feels completely consistent. The longer the conversation becomes, the more difficult it feels to keep everything moving in the same direction. Then it occurs to me that many people probably experience this while working on larger AI projects. If you've ever felt your AI was losing track during a long conversation, you're certainly not alone. Understanding this experience is important before relying on AI for longer conversations and more complex work. We've seen what happens when AI seems to lose track during long conversations. In the next video, we'll explore why this happens and what you need to understand before starting your next AI project. Please subscribe to our channel to learn AI. Like, share, and comment for free video production advice.